So it's day 3 and we made it to the classic plank. And I feel like so many people will brag about how they can hold a 5-minute plank and all stuff like that. That's great, but are you holding it correctly? Let's go over an awesome tip in order to make sure that you are doing this planks correctly and feeling it in all the right areas. Then we're gonna go through today's challenge, which is an awesome plank sequence challenge that I want you to do, and then make sure after you do it, you post a sweaty selfie, you tag at Angela_Gargano and at strongfeelsgood_ for a chance to win a Strong Feels Good. So first thing I want you to do is I want you to lay on your back, literally lay on your back. I know this is not a plank, okay? Palms up to the ceiling. I want you to inhale, exhale, all the way out, and then squeeze your ass. I said ass, I said it. Squeeze it. Take a second and return back to that normal breath. Kind of like when we talk about those dead bugs and those bear holds. You want to return back to the breath. Now let's do it again. Inhale, exhale. Squeeze the glutes, hold. Hold, 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 hold. Do you feel that? You can feel your core just laying there, right? Now let's flip it around and go into your plank hold and bring that to the plank hold. Now, with your plank hold, we're gonna be doing the forearm plank here. Okay, where your shoulders are directly over the elbows. You can make your feet a little bit wider. That's gonna increase the surface area, make it a little bit easier. Everything here, you want to be nice and flat. So you're gonna inhale, exhale, squeeze the glutes and hold. Hold, 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 hold. And you should be shaking already. Do you feel that? You feel that shake? That's what I want you to think about when you're doing your plank hold, okay? Now, for today's challenge, we're gonna be not only holding a plank, we're gonna be using your legs a little bit and adding some extra movement in here. This is a very deceiving workout. I've done this a couple of times and I'm always like, oof. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna hold your 30-second plank, okay? You're gonna hold a plank for 30 full seconds. Inhale, exhale, hold it, okay? Second thing you're gonna do is you're gonna do something called it says 1-8, which means ascending numbers. So you're gonna do 1 of each of the movements I'm gonna show you, okay? Then 2, then 3, then 4, all the way up to 8. And I want you to time yourself after you do that 30-second plank hold. So the plank hold is just to kind of get you primed and ready, and then this is gonna be the challenge. I wanna know how long it takes you to do this sequence. So let me walk through the sequence with you. Again, you're gonna get into your plank position. We're doing it on our forearms. You're gonna inhale, exhale, squeeze. You're gonna take your left leg, you're gonna bring it into the belly, bring it back, bring it to the opposite side, bring it back, and then bring it to the opposite elbow, bring it back. And then you do the same thing on the other side, just 1 of each thing. In, cross, out, okay? Notice how my gaze is on my knee the entire time. Look at it so you feel it in all the different areas, okay? Then you're gonna do 2 of each. Across 2, to the side 2. Come back to the middle and then keep repeating. Again, you're gonna be going all the way up to 8. And here's the deal, you don't need to stay in the plank the entire time. If you need to take breaks in between, readjust, come back to your breath and do it again, do that, okay? It's all about form. So time yourself and see how long you can do that. And remember, you're getting up to 8 in total on each side. It's going to be killer, okay? Make sure you take your time. This shouldn't be, as much as we wanna have the fastest time, right? It's not about that. It's about, can you stay in control the entire time? That one's always a killer, and that's always one that I always feel like the next day, always. So again, post how long this takes you. Make sure that you tag at Angela_Gargano and at strongfeelsgood_ for a chance to win a Strong Feels Good hoodie. And don't forget to sign up for my 30-day Core Revolution Challenge. If you're doing this when we're doing it together, it's gonna be starting on April 3rd. And it's not only gonna have all the core stuff for the 30 days, which you have lifetime access to, but we're also having nutrition coaches come in weekly to help you understand what you need to do nutritionally in order to hit the goals that you are trying to reach. So, see you all tomorrow.